Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a nut roast with lentils and millet. Millet is a small grain with a delicate nutty flavor and it binds really well in this type of dish. I'm also adding roasted mixed nuts, either salted or unsalted as you wish, and some fresh thyme and parsley to give this loaf a distinctive Mediterranean flavor, which you can serve with any of your favorite sauces. First, grease and dust with a little flour a 900 grams non-stick loaf tin and set aside. Now, place the lentils in a fine mesh sieve and rinse well under cold running water. Transfer the lentils into a small saucepan with twice the amount of water and a little salt. Bring the pan to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer covered for 25 minutes. Also rinse the millet and then place into another small saucepan with twice the amount of water and a pinch of salt. As with the lentils, bring the pan to a boil, reduce to a low heat and simmer covered for 15 minutes. Remember, to achieve an accurate ratio when cooking grains, always use the same measuring cup or container to calculate both the volume of grain and water. Now, peel and finely chop the onion. Also, remove the tough strings from the celery and chop into small bits. Then, peel and chop 2 or 3 garlic cloves. Cut the pepper in half and slice off the white membrane inside. Remove the seeds and slice one of the 2 halves into thin strips. Then, chop into small pieces. Also, pick the leaves of thyme sprigs to make about 1 heaped teaspoon and finally chop a handful of parsley leaves. Also, chop the nuts using a mini chopper or a food processor if you prefer. When the lentils and millet finish cooking, turn off the heat and let the pans rest with the lid on for at least 5 minutes. Don't worry if the grains look mushy. Everything is going to be mashed, so they should be soft and well cooked. Now, heat the olive oil in a non-stick medium-large frying pan and gently fry the onion, garlic, celery and pepper for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat and set aside. In the meantime, preheat the oven. Transfer the lentils and millet to a large mixing bowl and mash with the potato masher until smooth. Don't worry if you end up with a few whole lentils. Add the onion mixture, nuts, breadcrumbs, tomato puree, thyme, parsley, salt, chili flakes, or a pinch of black pepper if you prefer. Mix everything well. Taste and if necessary, adjust any seasoning. Spoon the mixture into the prepared tin and press down slightly so that the mixture is well compacted and the surface is smooth. Transfer to the oven and bake in the middle of the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. After this time, remove the tin from the oven and allow the loaf to cool in the baking tin for 10 minutes. Then, carefully turn out onto a serving board or plate. Leave the loaf to cool a further 15 or 20 minutes before slicing. This will allow for the loaf to firm up without crumbling when cutting into slices. And that's it! Your nut roast is ready to serve. I love to eat this loaf with cranberry sauce and to serve it with steamed vegetables such as broccoli or Brussels sprouts. It is a great festive dish that everyone will love for Christmas or a dinner party, but also to make it all year round. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.